Alright, today we got some speakers. We got kicker speakers. We have these 6.5 for the Toyota Tacoma, and we got these 6x9s. And yeah, they're gonna go on the truck. She's looking nice, very nice. Kicker coaxial speaker, 4 ohm, 6.5. Nice, nice. Alright, so here's the original one, OEM. Yeah, it just looks really bad. Here's the backside. It's this puny little magnet. That's kind of it. And then we have the new one right here. Ooh, looks so shiny, so nice. And then if we look on the back, ooh, that's a nice hefty magnet right there. Really good. Looking forward to it. Nice, nice. Hope this is shit. That's stupid. Alright, so a problem we found with this is that these holes right here, so I can put these on right here, these are way too small. So we're gonna take a drill bit and make these holes a little bigger so I can get this through. Okay, perfect. I'm so mad if this doesn't fucking work. So the following clips will be voiceovered because I started playing music in the background. Anyways, I just finished screwing all the bolts together, and now we're attaching the wires to the plug and play harness. And now we're gonna take this over to the car. Oh, actually, hold up. So this is just me showing you it. Now we're actually gonna take out the car panels. There's a YouTube video on this on how to do this, so you could easily find it. Now here, I am taking it out and throwing it away. With that done, now we can actually see what it looks like. So let's give it a listen.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Yeah, sorry, copyright, but I mean, look at how nice that looks. It's pretty nice. Anyways, same thing here. Remove the door panel, install the speaker. I know I didn't show what tools to use to remove the door panel, but that's pretty easy to look up, so don't worry. There are plenty of videos on YouTube to do this. So yeah, and here's me doing the passenger side speakers. Not that hard to do, pretty repetitive. I also did the left side first to make sure I didn't screw up making the right side. I'll list all the parts below if y'all are trying to do the same thing to your Toyota Tacoma or some other car that you guys have. But yeah, thanks for watching, and that was kind of it.